Hi, Kristen Face First Medical Aesthetics. It's been a little while since I've been on here, and I have had a few questions this week regarding Sculptra, and I thought I would just go on here really quick and talk about the product, just so you have a little bit more understanding of what the treatment is for and how it works. Sculptra is a biostimulator. It's a pure biostimulator. It's not a gel. It's not a filler. It's not going to add a ton of volume in your face instantly. What it is a biostimulator that is very similar to like surgical threads that are crushed up really small into like a powder. So you can see it is a powder before we mix it. We add water and we add lidocaine. And what happens when we mix that all together, those little particles spread, obviously, and we inject that all throughout the face. When we do that, the water will absorb that night. So you wouldn't, you look full, kind of like full of like hydration and volume when you leave for your first treatment. But that night, that water dissolves, and what you're left with is that product in your face. You're instructed at that time to massage your face for 5 minutes, 5 times a day for 5 days. And what that will do is help to prevent any collagen nodules that may form in your face because of all of the collagen induction that is happening with fibroblasts in your face. Sculptra usually takes about 2 to 3 months before you start to see the results. As we know, collagen hits its peak usually around that 3rd month. So that's usually when we really start to see the effects. I have had clients come back after 6 months after finishing their 3rd treatment. And, you can see how their skin is just looking amazing, way less laxity in their skin. We usually do suggest that you have 3 treatments. So 1 month apart. You will need 1 vial per decade of your age. So obviously if you're 40, you will need 4 vials. So 2 the first treatment, then 1 the second, and 1 the third. The other things that are important is when we do your consultation, we'll go through your medical as we always do and make sure there's no contraindications related to your health history, any autoimmune disorders, or any keloid scarring or anything like that. We would obviously decide if it's appropriate for you. The results are really, really nice. They last well over 2 years. And so if you have interest in Sculptra, give us a call, book in for a consult, and let's see if it's good for you.